Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini to call Updated. Open the Gemini app, create an API key, and enable microphone access to start making calls with voice. Next, choose a model and set the context, window size, and temperature for the response style you want. Test with a short prompt, listen to the reply, and iterate until you get reliable, natural results for your use case. Set up your call parameters with care to get the best responses from Gemini. Start by choosing a model variant that balances latency and cost, then set temperature and max tokens to shape creativity and length. Include a concise system, prompt to guide tone and behavior, and pass only essential context to avoid token waste. Test various settings with a standard prompt, observe differences, and document the configuration that works best for repeatable results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I joke, but they really hold up during long recording sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel and find what I use. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Capture clean audio with a good microphone and quiet surroundings to improve Gemini call accuracy. Convert recordings to a supported compressed format and normalize levels so the model hears consistent volume across prompts. Include short test utterances to validate transcription before full sessions, and retry failed calls with adjusted gain or less background noise. Finally, log audio metadata like sample rate and duration to troubleshoot any input issues that might affect quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.